Hey, welcome back. Let's get started in this course, and in this topic I'm going to explain you what is the AWS IAM. Let's get started. Every new account, every brand new account that is created on AWS will have a root account. This root account cannot be deleted. This root account cannot be deactivated. No, this root account is tied with the AWS account. So this root account will have access to all AWS and also access to the bill information, other options of the main account, credit card number, and this kind of stuff. So the root account has all access to the account. Also, the root account can remove admins, can remove everybody, can shut down the account, can shut down the company if the company is based on the AWS account. When you have this account and you want to use AWS, you just do a login. But then imagine that you want to create another users. Okay, so let's say you want to create an admin user. You will need to use IAM, which is Identity and Access Management, in order to create a user. A user will be the admin, and the admin will have permission to access these resources. But maybe you want to create another user, like a developer or another person, and want to give access only to EC2. So you need also to use IAM in order to create a user for that. So the AWS IAM is a user management tool. You can deal with users, groups, and roles. I will explain to you later. Permissions, policies, and all the jazz. And to get a centralized place where you can deal with access management and this kind of stuff. So, AWS IAM stands for AWS Identity and Access Management, as I told you before. And we have users, okay? And for these users, we have users are called identities. So a user can be a person, can be an assistant, whatever, but every user account has a credential in order to access, and they can be internal. I mean, they can be created managed inside the IAM, AWS IAM, or you can use federation, if you have Active Directory or Atlassian Crowd or whatever. Or even if you're using a mobile app in order to and have an application, so user needs to access AWS resources, you can use federation for that. But for federation, it will use roles. Also, when you deal with user, of course, you have groups, and you have the roles. Roles are the same as a user account, but they are not. They don't have credentials or access key or whatever. They are roles and have permission attached, policies, and this kind of stuff. So I'll explain you later, but you can think that roles can be used by users, okay? But roles cannot use users. So we have sorry for my English access. Yeah, I will fix it. I will fix this later. And we have policies. And by policies is documents with a bunch of instructions in order to give permissions. I will explain it to you also. And also, the AWS IAM have the AWS KMS. If you watch the AWS CloudTrail course that I created, and it's here and it's listed, so after this course or maybe tomorrow you can take this course. Please take a look, as I explain in that course how you can use CloudTrail and KMS. So KMS stands for AWS Keys Management System. So you can manage your credentials, keys, your encryption. Okay. So you have a lot to learn and I have a lot to teach. So well, I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.